This right here is Makita's 80 volt demolition breaker. This is the HM004G. Absolute beast. I mean, it's making me look pretty small. This thing is unbelievable. 72.8 joules of impact energy, which is pretty much the equivalent, if not slightly more impact energy than Makita's cordless breaker. And that is thanks to not one, but two 40 volt XGT batteries. This is a twin 40 volt or an 80 volt device. The beauty of Makita's 40 volt XGT range is that it has given you the power of a corded machine with the flexibility of cordless, and the HM004 right here is a perfect example of that. Alongside from its unbelievable power, you are also going to be very safe operating this device. A lot of that is thanks to its low vibration, just 6.5 meters a second, especially when we're using something like a breaker. You know, keeping the vibration levels down is going to be key. There are some nice control features with this device as well, including a soft no load to conserve power, but also to keep you safe. The machine isn't just going to start firing up even if you're holding it in the air. Instead, it is only going to speed up once it reaches the material. And speaking of hitting the material, that is where its constant speed control comes in. So even in a situation where your batteries are starting to run low, you can rely on this system to maintain the same amount of power at all times. Especially with something like a breaker, you need to get the job done, you know, as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So you don't want to have to worry about the battery starting to die and then of course the tool starting to run slower. So it's prioritizing that power. There are more ways in which Makita have implemented safety features, including AWS, which is Makita's auto wireless start. Now essentially you can pair this tool with a compatible Makita dust extractor so that as soon as you power this tool on, the dust extractor will start up, meaning that there's going to be much less dust, keeping the material and everything around you as safe as possible from any harmless dust particles. In terms of chisel compatibility, this has a 28.6mm hex shank. We do have accessories ready for you at its.co.uk. So if you are looking for a cordless breaker from Makita with unbelievable power, then look no further than the HM004G 80 volt XGT Max. Check it out now at its.co.uk.